capable of clearing the ground, hitting the big shots. Already 10 of the first 4 balls. You're looking at a very big score here. Very, very big score.
14 possible deliveries. Will India get to 360?
Oh, the helicopter's out. It's gone miles in the air and way back into the crowd. Well, the captain producing something special. Have a look at the bat speed here.
Wow! Out of the park. The helicopter shot. There it is. Oh, the chopper. And he's watching it. He knows it's gone, but he wants to see how far it's gone. The moment it was a hit of the middle, everybody knew it was going to go out. But how far out? It's gone over the roof. The ball's lost. It's gone out off the ground.
This is a massive hit.